Introduction. The class develops a guide for the maintenance of the most important components of the vehicle to guarantee its good state of use. Vehicle maintenance. Why maintain the car? Regular car maintenance is essential to ensure its safety and optimal performance. A well-maintained vehicle not only reduces the risk of unexpected breakdowns on the road, but also helps prevent accidents. Worn or defective components such as brakes, tires, and lights can compromise the responsiveness and efficiency of the vehicle. In addition, proper maintenance also involves periodically checking and changing essential fluids, such as oil and brake fluid, which ensures proper performance of mechanical systems. In short, constant care of the car not only prolongs its service life, but is also a crucial measure to ensure the safety of all occupants and other road users. Key points of car maintenance. Although the maintenance of the whole car is important, these are the points that should be checked the most. Shock absorbers. They are in charge of providing the necessary stability and comfort to the vehicle when it is in motion. This element should also be checked regularly because they wear out over time. In general terms, it is advisable to check them every certain number of kilometers traveled, depending on the brand and the manufacturer's recommendations. Wiper blades. In rainy situations, wiper blades play a vital role in visibility. It is essential to make sure that they sweep efficiently and evacuate water properly, so that visibility is not lost. The replacement of these wiper blades is especially recommended after the summer, as high temperatures can affect their components. Filters. These accessories are determinant in the durability of the different systems that use them. In the engine, they retain the particles coming from the wear that can diminish the performance of the same one. Some fuel filters need to be cleaned for the system to be able to supply fuel correctly. Tires. As we already know, the tire is the direct contact of the car with the road. For this reason, special attention must be paid to these components that are synonymous with comfort and safety. The quality of the tire is paramount, as well as the air pressure and alignment. It is important to follow a schedule for tire inspection and maintenance, and to replace them at the first signs of deterioration and wear. Brakes. The safety and integrity of the driver and the vehicle depend on the good condition of the brake system. Preventive maintenance and replacement of the components that need it should be done in a timely manner and by an expert. This system should also be given priority. Lubricants. The use of this component guarantees the life and durability of the engine, and its relationship with the operation of other systems makes it one of the priorities to be taken into account when planning the maintenance of the vehicle. It protects the internal parts of the engine from premature wear and serves as a vehicle to conduct the metal splinters resulting from the friction of the parts to the filter. In the latest generation of vehicles, the time of use of lubricants, which are mostly of synthetic origin, has been increased. Lighting. A vehicle's lighting system must work properly in order to drive safely, especially at night. This makes it a priority to keep the lighting system in good condition. Checking all lights monthly and cleaning their outer surface ensures proper operation. Exhaust system and catalytic converters. Exhaust systems have a double mission to reduce polluting emissions and to reduce noise. Driving with defective catalytic converters can increase the risk of fire and cause intoxication. It is recommended to check them after 60,000 kilometers to avoid damage. Timing belt. The timing belt synchronizes the engine timing, and its breakage can cause serious breakdowns. By following the manufacturer's instructions and changing it at the recommended intervals, expensive problems can be avoided. Environment responsibility when replacing components. Some vehicle parts are considered hazardous waste and must be properly managed. Workshops follow strict regulations for the recovery and recycling of these wastes. When changing components, you should go to the nearest clean point, and when retiring a car, do it responsibly. These are the determining aspects and points to ensure a comprehensive maintenance of our vehicle, thus contributing to safety, durability, and care for the environment. Performing periodic reviews and acting responsibly at each stage of automotive maintenance should always be a priority.
Learn about our fleet management consulting and training services. reduce costs, and optimize fleet management activities. We electrify your fleet of vehicles. We carry out the electrification plan until its implementation, known as